into our plugins for today. You can download all of these plugins in the description below. I'll leave a link down there, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so this is the scene that we're working with here. We're gonna add our texture plugin from the effects tab, and we can mess with the skew, the stretch, or the scale. You see there's plenty of things that you can adjust. Plugin is kind of like a black and white throwback, like an 80s type of vintage look. I really like this plugin because it takes you back in the day. It adds a lot of life to your visual edit. So yeah, it's just an easy drag and drop plugin, and you can make adjustments as needed. But yeah, that makes the scene look a lot better right here. That looks good. All right, now on to our next plugin. We are gonna get into the slit plugin. You apply the plugin, you see how bright it is. We're gonna obviously have to make some adjustments. So we go to this panel right here. We can turn the mix down. We're gonna actually add a keyframe to every area. So add your keyframes. Then as we scroll through a little bit, as it gets bright, we can make adjustments with the mix. Can bring that up just a little bit to about 50. It's all gonna vary according to your film look or your video that you have. But you can make the adjustments as needed. I'm gonna boost the speed up a little bit. Let's see how it looks so far. It looks okay. It's kind of buffering because can bring that down, the perspective down just a bit, turn the mix up, give it a louder effect. Simple as that. It's a drag and drop plugin, add keyframes, and it's the plugin right there. This is not a plugin. This is just something I want to help you guys with video editing. This is just like a camera movement trick. So let's get into it. So we're gonna start off by adding keyframes to our position and our scales. So we're gonna move the playhead up to about right here. You're gonna add the transform button. You're gonna scale up, and we're gonna go into the direction of his face. So just click on this screen and just drag up so you can see his face a bit. And then we're gonna play it back just to see what it looks like. Okay, so that looks pretty good. And then we're gonna go about to right here again. We're gonna go back to 100 and bring this up about right here. Let's see what that looks like. So that looks pretty good. Okay, we're gonna add one more dramatic one. We're gonna go close. So now right there, let's see how that looks. I'm gonna go back one more time. We want to scale this down because to the original size, so the other scenes after this won't be as scaled up as the camera movement. So we're gonna bring the scale down so it can match the rest of the scenes. Now let's see how this looks. It's a pretty cool camera movement. So that there's a cool free editing tip that you can take and use to get creative with your videos. Now let's get on to the next plugin. And this specific plugin, you'll have to go to your title section right here. And I'm gonna start off with the Jitter 3D text plugin. So we're gonna drag that in our timeline. Let it load up a bit. As you can see, it's already working here. I'm just gonna bring it up a bit, scale it up a bit. As we scale it up, you see how it's coming out to the right a bit. We're gonna get this transform button right here and move that to the side. So now it's centered and it automatically jitters on its own. It's a real cool text and it's 3D, so you can make an adjustments. You can change the color if you want. You can have the 3D materials changed if you want to. Let's give it a different, let's give it a red text. That looks nice. And that is the 3D Jitter text plugin. I really appreciate you guys' time. Appreciate you watching. If you can do me a favor and comment your favorite plugin below, that means a lot to me. And please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.